Welcome to Dirt Doctors. Come on in.
Bonjour, this is Behind the Design. I am Catherine Montague, and today I am with Tim Maloney, founder and CEO of Dirt Doctors. And we're going to highlight how Tim used his office space to integrate it as part of his marketing strategy. So, Tim, thank you for joining us.
Welcome to my humble little office.
Well, you did a great job. Tell us first about your business.
Sure. So I started a cleaning business 30 years ago, and today we are a full-service commercial cleaning, focusing mainly on office buildings, office spaces, unique spaces. Like if you look to my left, there's a photo of the Pittsburgh Pirates locker room. And so that's been a client of ours since 2011. And another unique client that we've helped is Heinz History Center.
What caught my eye is how you consistently use the colors of your logo into your office space. So tell us what's your process.
So when we remodeled in 2017, we were very intentional about adding like the blue trim and some of our logos and different displays, because it is part of our identity, right? It's our brand. And in fact, a guy came up to me the other day, and I do wear a lot of blue shirts. And he said, I actually think of you when I see people in a blue shirt. That is branding, I guess, done well. So we did try to integrate that into the office space intentionally.
And that's really a great reminder for clients and team members alike. I mean, it creates that connection. This is the perfect example.
Yeah, we have a frame by the front door that has our mission statement, our core values, our vision statement, basically everything that we stand for. And I think it's just nice to have by the door as customers and team members come into the office, know what we stand for.
I think when clients see that, it creates trust. And it's also a great reminder for the team, like when things go wrong or whatever, they have a bad day, this company has our back. Another thing that you did very well is the position of the desk. So you have the back to the wall. So that gives you a position of power. And also you can see the door. So it's another way also to be welcoming to whoever is coming. So Tim, tell us about other things that you have in your office space.
When you have a small square footage, you try to maximize what you can do with it. Shelves of cleaning products. There's some vacuum cleaners in here. Just it's an office that we also had to use for a little bit of storage as well.
You've done it. You did a great job, really. Thank you, Tim, for giving us a tour of your office, and congratulations on using the power of design to support your business. So I hope that this will inspire you to use those simple tips to integrate your design as part of your marketing. So contact us if you have any questions, and follow us for more videos. À bientôt!